everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer and I make weekly videos here on my channel. Every Wednesday and Sunday I upload. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I am actually doing a spring get ready with me. I'm doing my makeup because I'm going to shoot some content today. So this has been my 5-minute makeup routine. It's very simple, it's quick, and also I'm going to be using a few new products that I mentioned in my Sephora haul. I'll link that here if you haven't seen it. Also, I will link all of the products that I mentioned down below so you guys can shop. First, I'm going to be using a little bit of this Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream with SPF 30. I mentioned this in my Sephora haul. It is so good. It's lighter than a foundation, but it still gives you a little bit of coverage, and it has a really pretty sheen. I'm having to try and get some out. I've used so much of this, but it has lasted a long time too, which is great. But I just put a little bit of that all over my face, and I'm using a Merit brush that they sent over with some of their makeup a while back, and this is so good. It reminds me of like a kabuki brush kind of, but it blends out foundation really well. So I'm just gonna do a thin layer of that all over. So next I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. This is something I am definitely gonna be picking up in the Sephora haul. As you can see, I'm almost out, but this has lasted me so long, and it's the perfect salmon sort of color. It makes me look like I've had 8 more hours of sleep. I absolutely love it. So this is with and this is without. So that's what this looks like on both eyes. It's so pretty. I'm not even going to go in with any concealer. This just gives such a nice bright under eye look. So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Merit Highlighting Balm in Cava, and this is so pretty. It is so nice and easy to blend out. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the high points of my face. It gives the prettiest glow. Look at that. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna put a little bit on my Cupid's bow, a little bit on my nose, and then also the inner corner of my eye. And recently, I've been using my finger to blend out a lot of my products. I really don't use that many brushes anymore. I just find that it gives a really natural look, and the products blend into my skin so much nicer than using a brush. I'm also going to put a little bit under my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, just to kind of set all of that so I don't look too dewy. So I'm going to put a little bit around mainly the center of my face because I have combination skin, a little bit on my forehead, and then also my under eyes. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and use a little bit of the Bronze Booster from Physicians Formula. This is in shade medium to dark. It is such a beautiful bronzer. It just gives me a little bit more of a glow until I can start actually getting a glow from the sun. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the MAC Melba blush just to add a little bit of color back onto my face, and I apply that to the apples of my face. I also like to do a little bit on my nose and my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. So pretty. It just adds a little bit of color and makes you look more alive and rosy. So I love that. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Taupe, just to fill in any sparse areas on my brows. And next I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a little bit of this Merit mascara, which is my absolute favorite mascara right now. It's so good. It holds my curl. I have very straight lashes, and this just works. Last, I'm actually going to go in and do my lips. So I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Coconut. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of the Fenty lip gloss, just the smallest amount in the center of my lips. And lastly, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu facial spray with rose water, just to give my face a little bit of freshness. Feels so nice. And let that dry. So now I am going to do my hair really quick. I'll be right back and show you guys the finished look. But I wanted to mention I'm going to use a little bit of the Way finishing cream in my hair because this is actually like a thermal protectant as well for your hair. And I'm going to be using a little bit of heat on it, so I'm going to apply a little bit of this. And then I'll be back and show you guys the full look. I'm going to put a spritz of my Chloe perfume on to finish off the spring makeup look. And this smells incredible, like I said in my Sephora haul. So if there's one thing you should pick up, like if you're looking for a new springtime fragrance, it is this one. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like down below if you enjoyed to let me know that I should make more videos like this. And again, I'll link everything down below. You can find me on all my socials as well down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed and have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video.